Thokozani, emakhosini, Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Momkulu, Thokozani everyone that is watching this video. Sanbonani, my name is Nkosazana Robin. Those of you that do not know me, my name is Robin Malobi. I am on Instagram and on TikTok as Nkosazana Robin. Feel free to follow me. Let's be friends. So I'm sure you are here because you have dreamt of a big black snake or small snake. Was the snake chasing you? Were you alone in that dream? Or maybe you were with your friends, or maybe your partner or your family. Whatever case it may be, you are here because you have dreamt of a big black snake. Did it bite you in the dream? I will also be explaining that in this video. Guti, what does it mean when that particular black snake bites you and all that? So Thokozani emakhosini, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment down below. Thokozani, so if uphuphe inyoka lekhulu lemnyama lethusabo. So if you are a spiritually gifted person, let me start with spiritually gifted people, right? If you are a spiritually gifted person and you have dreamt of this big huge snake chasing you, it can mean different things. Number one, it can mean kuthini kunesitha lesikusale emuva and awusiboni wena, soloko siyagadla, soloko sigijimisana nawe, soloko sikusale emuva. And then number two, it can mean kuthini unenzunzu unenzunzu. It can mean ukuthi unenzunzu or unemzawe, ngibeke njalo. Unenzunzu kumbe unemzawe. Nzunzu kumbe ndzawe idloti lasemandini. Idloti lasemandini lelivela ngekuhlukahlukana kwalo, but nalivela ngenyoka lemnyama, kusho lokunye futhi lokho lofanele ukwadi empilweni yakho ukuthi kumeleni as a spiritually gifted person. And then if you are not spiritually gifted, it can mean kuthini, there's someone that is very close to you that you are not aware of, that is attacking you, that is making your life miserable. Uyangiva ukuthi ngithini, kunemuntu losonzelane nawe lo busy agadla wena soloko awumboni. Kunesitha lesigadlako ene lesitha leso sisonzelane nawe. Or it can mean kuthini wena you have a calling mara solo awuva awulaleli. That is why le nyoka ikugijimisa. Soloko awuva, soloko bakutshela kuthini you are spiritually gifted, but wena you don't believe that. And then if you are a spiritually gifted person, igijimisa le nyoka, and then ayikulimati, ayikuyendi lutho, nedi yagijimisa, kuchaza ukuthi kunesitha lesikhona kumbe kunendo labantu labadzala lebafuna ukukhomba yona, but wena awuva. Kunendo lefanele uyiyende, but wena awuva. Sebatifikela bona ngekwabo. Ngani? And then if le nyoka iyakuluma lele mnyama, whether ikhulu kumbe incane, nangukuthi iyakuluma sho uthini kunesitha velele sigadla usigadlile. You need to make sure ukuthi you go look for help, because na yekuluma, trust me, takho tiyovaleka, takho ngeke tikhambele kahle. Ngeke tikhambele kahle, kodwa tokhambela kahle. But nangukuthi ayikulumi, iyagijimisa kuphela, kufanele ubukisise kahle ukuthi niphelela kuna le nyoka. And then sometimes leyo nyoka iyakhuluma nawe. Uthola ukuthi le language awu understand kumbe uyayiva, but awu understand ukuthi ichazani. You understand? So nanikhulumisana kukhomba ukuthi lelo dloti lakho lasemandini, lelo dloti lakho lasemandini ene leyo nyoka leyo ikhomba ukuthi ngimi mnikati wemsebenzi. Because most of the time vele kugcina yona kuvela ngimi mnikati wemsebenzi, ngimi lengibusako. Let me just put it like that, ngimi lengibusako. ungakayentelanga mina tinto tami lengitifunako akunanto letakulungela wena, akunanto letakulungela wena. So nayivela ikhuluma nawe fanele umake sure ukuthi nawuvuka ubhala phasi lelo phupho lelo ukuthi itheni, and then zama ukuthi uthole incazelo, nangokuthi awu-understand still, pray about it, phahla iphindze uthandaze ukuthi ngikuvile ukhulumile but angizange ngaku-understand ukuthi uchaza kuthini na usho sona. So if you feel ukuthi you need to go to a particular person, whether it be a prophet or a traditional healer or whatever, a medium, ukuthi akhona ukuthi akuchazele lelo phupho, do it. Ukhona ukuthi uqhubekele phambili, ukhona ukuthi uphethele lo moya lona, because uyahlupha kakhulu, uyahlupha and uyavala tinto, ufuna tinto ngendlela yakhe, akafuni most of the time lo moya lona ne awufuni lisito lebantu, lento ifuna ukuthi ibukane nawe, or maybe naye ikutholela umuntu, ikutholela loyo muntu leyimthembile loyo, naye utokuthatha ayokubeka kwesigaba leso, but lesesinye na ufanele ucedzisa wena naye nibukanile, so awucedzisi nalomunye umuntu. Ekupheleleni kokuphetha lento lefanele uyiphethe nyobe niphethana ngithuso, you understand, because ngokuya yebo angakuthusa emaphupheni, but utoya aya avele as lelo khehla lelo or whatever lengeke ikuthusa, akhona ukuthi achumane nawe kahle, nikhona ukuthi nivisisane ukuthi phela umsebenzi wakho ngilona lo. So maphupho la so are very dangerous ukuthi uwashare noma ngibani. Lelo phupho lelo make sure ukuthi ulichazela umuntu lomtrustako, because bantu bayaganga guys, and angeke bakufiselela kuhle, because amadlozi asemandini anemali, anemcebo, ayabusa, aphethe tinkosi, you understand. So asicontinueni leyo nyoka leyo nena ukuthi ikulumile, you are spiritually gifted or not, chazela ukuthi bakugadlile, go and look for help, ukhona ukuthi ulashe tinto takho tivuleka, because yefana ukuthi once yakuluma maphupho ayavaleka, tinto takho tibhedza lokugcina, akusalungi next awusaboni lutho wena. Kanti no sebakugadlile itsela naye kuluma bakufaka something emtimbeni etohamba ihambe ilwisane naletinto lefanele tikuphilise, ungasaboni kahle, ungasa understand kahle ukuthi nifanele wenteni kahle ngaleli hambo leli lebathi ulihambe. Kanti khona lento lese bayifakile lese iyenda so iyakuconfuse. So kubalulekile ukuthi na unemoya wasemandini Thokozani, I'm sorry, uthandaze, uphile emthandazweni, uthandaze ngakho ukuthi ngithini, na uthi unalomoya lo fanele uthandaze, and make sure ukuthi you are always clean, make sure ukuthi uyaphalaza, uyafutha, uyastima, uyathandaza strong. Make sure ukuthi tinto letifanayo, tinto leti uhlala utinakile empilweni yakho. Don't trust just anyone, uvule mehlo, ungathatheki nanoma njani wena. So lenyoka lena nase siyasichazela. I'm not gonna go into deep. I'm gonna do a part 2 about this snake. Ngikhona ukunichazisela kahle, but idloti lasemandini linemandla kakhulu, lingena emandini, lingena konke, lingena emfuleni, lingena esizibeni, lingena empophomeni, liyabusa emandini. Wena na uthi mandi libusa konke, linemandla kakhulu. Ngingakuthusi, yes yona iyathusa naseyivelile, but iyavela ngibathini ngikuhlukahlukana kwakhona. Ngisathu ukuchaza naloko on the next video ukuthi livela njani, and naselivele so kusho ukuthini and all that. But nangokuthini uyayiphupha, iyagijimisa, ayikulumi lo, you don't have to fear anything. Nayikhulumisa idloti lakho lelo fanele ulalele umthetho, uve ukuthi bathini, wendele bakutshela ukuthi wende kona, and then nangokuthi udibana nayo emandini as well. Uthothi uphupha usemandini and then iyavela kukhomba ukuthi yebo lento uhamba nayo and lento ikhona iyaphila. le nto ikhona iyaphila, iphila nawo, sithunywa sasemandeni idloti lasemandeni. So kulokuthi nilitokuchazela ukuthi kahle kahle wena le ndlela uyihamba njani, uyihamba ngemandi kumbe uyihamba ngemuthi nemandi. You understand? Uhamba ngemandi nemthandazo kumbe nemuthi nemandi nemthandazo, kumbe uhamba ngemthandazo. Kukuyo ukuthini, ikutshela ukuthini wena le ndlela le utoyihamba njani, awutikhetheli and awusoze watikhethela, and awusoze wathini mina le ndlela ngiyifuni in no. Khethile wakhethile, akunakuthi wena in wena awuchoose next, uyafuna awufuni. And one thing that I'm gonna tell you guys ukuthi idloti lakho angeke likufisele into letibi, angeke likulethele ngathi nikuhlupheka, no, likufunela lokuhle. And then nalikuphusha uthothi lakuphusha konakala lokhu nalokhu, there's something la there's somewhere la likuthatha khona likuyisa khona, kunala likuyisa khona, you understand, kunala likuyisa khona. So trust the process, uthandaze because kukhulu lokutako kuhle futhi. Trust me, wayiphethela lento kahle awusoze wahlupheka, awusoze waswela, but akusindo ya one day. That I need to tell you guys ukuthi akusindo ya one day, no. And into takhona tiyathusa because tigcina setifuna wena icubo lwakho, bakutshela ukuthi vuka ngaboma 2 ekseni bathi sikufuna esizibeni so whether you like it, you have to go there. Trust me, nothing's gonna happen to you. Utawungena utawuphuma utawuba right. Emakhosini gogo Thokozani. Yeah, I didn't want to make this video long, but emakhosini